Hi, I'm Tricia, and I am a professor. And I was on a trip to El Salvador for my school, and I worked we were trying to locate additional resources and students for our program. And we were in a horrible car accident. And As we arrived to the country. And so I'm in a foreign country, don't speak the language, don't know anything, and am being rushed to an emergency room. After we got back, our university worked really hard to file paperwork for us. They actually filed it while we were there. But the workers' comp decided to deny the claim, and seeing that it was not work related as their thought. So I filled out paperwork, thought I'm going to appeal this claim. So went online to the Kentucky workers' comp website, filled out paperwork, sent out a box, 3-pound box of papers, and got the paperwork back, and it asked for some particular form, and I had no clue what this form was. So I thought, I'm going to have to get a lawyer. And I was trying to avoid a lawyer, thinking that it was going to be, my cost. And I'm thinking, I can't afford a lawyer. What am I going to do? So I just started Googling lawyers in the area. And Jeff's name came up, and I looked at the reviews. Everybody on the website had talked about how fantastic Jeff was, how personable he was, and how he had worked for them to help them through the process. So I made an appointment to meet with him. He sat down and gave me, my options, what I could do, and whether he thought my case was worth pursuing or not. And he felt that I definitely did have a claim. And what I really appreciated about the entire time through the process was Jeff was there with me the whole way through. He would sit down every time we had an appointment for a deposition or a hearing or anything, and we would meet, and he would talk about what to expect, what I should say, what I shouldn't say, when it came to, protecting myself. And throughout the entire process, Jeff was there to answer my questions. His staff was there, very friendly, helpful the whole way through. They answered my emails. They answered my phone calls at any time. And so I just felt that throughout the entire process, they were there and are still there, even though my case has been closed. So I know that I can rely on Jeff in any chance, if anything goes up along the way, as throughout life, through the rest of my life with this situation. I would recommend Jeff. I think that he is an ideal lawyer for the working man, just in basic terms. I mean, he knows the law. He knows what other lawyers and other companies, what the companies are trying to settle for, and what you are entitled to. And I felt that he had my best interest at heart.